UPS just pulled up in front. I bet this is my bike. What do you think? I think it is too. I'm so excited. Actually, that looks like my formula and not my bike. Huh. Ah, it's my formula and bike. That box looks like it's kind of tore up though. Hope it's okay. Yeah, it looks really tore up. Alright, so I got my bike. It looks like damaged. The UPS gave me a phone number just in case it's damaged. But I don't know. Let's open it up and find out. Alright, so there it is. My electric bike, all in pieces. Guess I gotta put it together. I don't see any instructions, so this is gonna be fun. Oh, I guess that's the charger. Thank you, UPS man. Alright, so I'm continuing to undo all the protective things that were on here. Nice. I found some other stuff in a little box, so I think this is going to work, and I got instructions. Before you ride, install the handlebars. Cool. And it comes with all the tools. I just know that UPS likes to break things, so we got a protective thing that comes on this side, and another protective thing that is on this side. So I just unlocked the battery pack and slid it out and plugged it in, so now this thing charged up. Alright, so I just unscrewed this. Has four screws on it, and now I'm going to put the handlebars on. I guess it goes this way. This way? Ah, this way. It's easy putting the front wheel on, just put it in and clasp it in place. However, now I have an issue because the brake rotor is warped. So now it's like completely stuck right there, and that goes smooth. It's probably because of the damage to the box. Like that, bitch. It's only going to get up to 49 degrees, supposed to rain today. So I disconnected the back brake so I can take my bike out for a ride in the rain, of course, because it's raining. I went about 4 miles and averaged about 15 miles an hour. It was really, really fun, but extremely cold, so I can't wait until it warms up so I can take the bike out and do a real video with me riding my bike.